Hey guys, and welcome. I'm doing this video just to give you a quick bit of insight on this new motor by RCIN. I am doing another video soon where I'm testing this motor against the Xnova FPV hardline. But the FPV hardline by Xnova has been around for a while now. This motor by RCIN is brand new, so it's worth showing this to you alone. This is called the Wasp Major. And it's a very odd size. I'm actually going to show it to you here. It's 22.6 by 6.5. So slightly under 23 in a 2306 motor and slightly under 7 in a 2207 motor. And it's 1860 kb. This motor is gold with gunmetal, machining. There's another inverse option of this that is gunmetal with the gold in the little slits there, which is probably suited for more people because when I went to buy these, those were sold out and these weren't. But these don't look chintzy at all or blingy because it's a gold that's sort of matte or sort of satiny. So it actually looks really good. It doesn't look like cheap at all. It actually looks really, really classy. This is, I think it's printed. I'm not exactly sure if it's actually laser. I can't even tell, but it looks like the print on the side of it, let's just call it print, looks really good. The machining is amazing. It really looks like a quality motor. I don't like that it doesn't have spikes right there like some of the other motors. I wish it had spikes for grip, but you just need to make it tight and keep in mind also that the shaft is kind of short. It uses a shallow nut, and I know some people don't like that, and this I believe is to save weight because it is a little bit lighter than the Xnova that I'm testing. The base is very interesting. It's a minimal base, but it also has a bunch of machining out of it to make it lighter. And as you can see, the bell itself is unibody, or unibell, I say. So a unibell is one piece, but then it's reinforced inside. So the actual aluminum is kind of thin, at least on the sides, and it's reinforced with steel, with a steel ring inside, right? And most motors have a steel ring on the outside, and it's mated to a top, where this one, the steel ring kind of sits inside. Is a lot like what Zing does with their motors. The windings they don't look very thick, but they're single strand, that's for sure. And it uses a little button screw at the bottom instead of a circlip. And as far as like how it cogs when you turn it, it is pretty tight. Maybe not as tight as a Brother Hobby motor. So it should be fairly smooth. We'll find out soon. I already cut the wires on this guy, but I'm going to give you a weight because why not? So that's 0 grams. So with a prop nut and with short wires, it is 30.4 grams. So let's say 30.5 grams. And let's go ahead and look inside because I got one here with full wires. So you can get the weight with full wires. There's a box. It comes with these little stickers. RCIN is not a very personal brand in my opinion. It's good, they make great motors, but it seemed like far away compared to some of the other guys that are just close with the community. Okay, let's see. So with wires, this guy weighs 33 grams, so 33.1. And in the bag we have an extra prop nut. They do the thing with the silicone or whatever the thing is, a ring for inside the bell like Zing does. I guess everybody's doing that now. And then it comes with a couple of bolts, which some are longer than the other ones, so it's just probably pretty useful. And there's a shim there as well if you need to shim it when you replace bearings. So yeah, overall this is a really neat motor. I'm really looking forward to trying it out. I'll see how it stacks up against the Xnova and against the T motors that I've been flying. And this is going to be success, high power, being 1860 kV. So yeah, I really hope it flies as well as it looks. Alright guys, thumbs up. Oh yeah, my cat got it to me. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay in touch because I got more stuff in the pipeline. Alright, so you're probably wondering how these look. I just put them on and I'm about to test them, and that's how they look. Right, so that was not very descriptive. But here they are. Yeah, they look really good. I like the gold with the red combo. This was originally gonna have red on gray, but red on gold looks pretty good. Now let's see how she flies.